Back when the grid was simpler, fuses got the job done. But the grid has changed, and so has its protection requirements. Upgrade your transformer fuses to a solution designed for dependable overhead protection. The VacuFuse II Self-Resetting Interrupter. Unlike fuses, the VacuFuse II Interrupter is built with electronic controls that are not prone to sneak-outs. As a result, its permanently accurate TCC curves are unaffected by overcurrent events, like arrestor operations or temporary overloads. Its predictable, reliable response helps avoid unnecessary outages. The VacuFuse II Interrupter offers a range of electronic TCC curves to easily coordinate with upstream devices and avoid nuisance tripping. The device installs into new or existing SNC cutouts, like a fuse, which simplifies crew training. The built-in vacuum interrupter quietly extinguishes arcs without any expulsion of debris. It also drops out after clearing faults, making it easy for crews to spot. When crews close the VacuFuse II interrupter back into the cutout, the device's delayed close sequences current pickup through the vacuum interrupter. This built-in delay lets the crews step away for an added layer of protection. The fault testing model stops temporary faults from turning into permanent outages, improving customer reliability and satisfaction. The grid keeps evolving. Fuse operations are inevitable, so why wait? Upgrade your transformer fuses now to the VacuFuse II Interrupter.